As a commercial mediator, that is a very, very small aspect. When we talk about startup co-founder disputes, that is one aspect. What about the other disputes, whereby there are family disputes which arise from maybe 1940, 1950? Still date, there are some disputes in India whereby the parties are not able to come to a conclusion. However, one should foresee that 5 years from now, 10 years from now, if you're in dispute for last 20, 30 years, you're going nowhere, the business is going nowhere. It's better to sit on the table and understand how to understand the pain point. We at TCRS are a group of mediators, and me with along with other mediators, we do commercial mediation in India. If you have any queries and want to discuss your commercial disputes and want to resolve it through the process of mediation, mediation process is definitely the easy way out to come to a conclusion and understand that you should come with your own settlement agreement. These are the terms we want to settle. Both the parties will come with the settlement agreement, and they will have maybe both the parties have 10 pointers, and maybe few of the pointers both the parties agree. So that's how the mediation process starts, whereby we have something positive to start with. So when we have 10 pointers, out of which 2 pointers are matching in both the settlement agreements, so we start with that, and then we discuss in detail what are the pointers which can be negotiated. Again, negotiation doesn't mean that you give up everything. Negotiation means it should be a win-win situation for both the parties. It's not you or me. It is basically what the dispute is all about, how to resolve the dispute. Come with an intent of resolving the dispute rather than coming with the intent, right? Many people in India, they come with the intent of just wasting time of mediators and the other parties. And what I foresee, there would be a penalty clause in the near future in the mediation centers, because when one of the parties has the intent of degrading and not resolving the issue through the process of mediation, it is actually wasting the valuable time of not only the other party but the mediators who are putting a lot of effort to resolve an issue at hand. So a penalty should be there, and there are a few of the issues which I personally feel should be taken up very seriously by Supreme Court. One is coming up with a startup law whereby the act is well defined so that the remedy is quick, because when we talk about commercial mediations, a lot of hampering can be done if the business is not working properly. And the other aspect would be the penalty part or the damage part, which should be asserted on a party which is not abiding by the law, whereby one party comes in court and says like we want to go in the mediation process. However, at the day of mediation, the other party doesn't turn up and say I'm stuck here, I'm stuck there. So I think the delaying tactics should be taken note of, should be some kind of remedy. We at TCRS are a group of mediators, and me with along with other mediators, we do commercial mediation in India. If you have any queries and want to discuss your commercial disputes and want to resolve it through the process of mediation, so we as mediators can assist you with resolving your commercial disputes in India. If you have any questions, just put your questions in the comment box, or you can just write a mail to us. We'll get back to you. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.